In a major India Today impact, the touted miracle cure that was being distributed in Andhra's Nellore district has been stopped. The Jagan government has now roped in Central Ayush Department to probe controversial drugs' efficacy. Listen in.
Thousands gathered to get their hand on a miracle drug. Absolutely no social distancing, and many among them are infected by COVID. Barely believable images from Nellore in Andhra Pradesh that shocked many. There is a lockdown in place, but that hasn't stopped this madness. Once these shocking images were played up by India Today, now Andhra government has stopped the sale of this medicine being touted as COVID cure. Centre's Ayush department has been roped in to probe the efficacy of the so-called COVID cure.
It's been going on since Ram Navami at least. Recently, it has gained prominence and more number of people from outside started walking into the village for treatment. Now that I have sent my team of officers, they are already there. By tomorrow evening, hopefully we will get a preliminary understanding of what exactly is happening, whether there is any possibility of any harm to anybody. If we find that there is a possibility of any harm to anybody, obviously we have to take a view in this.
The COVID wards of Nellore Hospital were all vacant as the patients went to grab the miracle medicine despite no evidence of efficacy.
As he is not collecting the money, so the Bunige Anandaya, he is not collecting any money from the persons who are getting the treatment there. He is giving it voluntarily. Only thing is, the COVID protocol is not followed there. It may cause the explosion of the COVID disease. So the collectors are instructed us to send the samples to the Ayush department, Vijayawada. So we did that. We have sent the medicines, 5 types of medicines which he is dispersing to the persons. After receiving the report whether they are safe to use or not, then the Honorable Collector, District Collector will take the decision how to disperse the medicine. Whether to disperse it or not also, the Collector has to take the decision.
Andhra Pradesh Lokayukta has ordered an inquiry and found that the person, B. Anandaya, who was distributing the medicine, is only an intermediate pass out. With no professional training, the self-claimed Ayurvedic practitioner was handing out the medicines for free.
One Mr. Anandaya, who is making medicine for this corona. Traditionally, their family members were making these Ayurvedic medicines from a long time. So he started giving this medicine to the COVID patients. So people have gained confidence, faith, showing good results within a very short period. So we will start distributing this with this thing. We have some action plan we have to prepare, and we have to prepare some roadmap with Ayush officials and all. After discussing this issue, we will distribute this medicine if everybody feels that this is good, because basically it gives good immunity, and this is not a only medicine that can be used. This is in addition to the other medicines, so it is giving extra immunity.
After India Today's report, YS Jagan government has sent experts including Ayurveda doctors to Nellore to study the chemistry behind the medicine. Andhra Pradesh is one of the worst hit states, and the shocking violation of COVID norms over a controversial cure only makes things worse.
Violating lockdown and COVID-19 protocol on Friday, over 40,000 people gathered at Krishnapatnam to get this so-called magic medicine. But our relentless coverage forced the administration to stop the distribution. Now the opposition TDP is also questioning that how, without having proper clarification and investigation, the state government and local administration allowed the distribution of this so-called magic medicine. With camera person now.